going to saw up some logs today that really look kind of ugly. Reality, they're probably some gold. These logs are ugly green, covered in this moss. They got these green ends. No, that's not paint. That's mold. If you're wondering, that's my dog Chip wandering around. He's our company mascot or supervisor, whichever way you want to look at it. He's always involved with the process here. He's sniffing these logs because these have a little bit different smell. So these are flame box elder. Box elders, it's a type of maple. It's one of the softer maples. It's a lot like ambrosia maple, where ambrosia maple gets those real pretty dark streaks caused by an ambrosia beetle. The cool thing about box elder, the reason it's called flame box elder, is that when it gets attacked by the beetle, the streaks, or as they're called, flags, will turn bright red and makes it a much more valuable product. Now, the issue with it is you don't always know if it's going to have a lot of flame in the flame box elder. Box elder that doesn't have flame is just another word for a hunk of wood. So the value goes down considerably. So you never really know what you got until you start sawing it. I mean, you can make a pretty good guess. I think these are pretty good. I bought them, spent money on them. So yeah, I think they're going to turn out pretty good. Box elder is kind of a gnarly, ugly looking log on the outside. We're going to clean it up, and we're going to show you what we do. And hopefully we're going to strike a little bit of gold when we come in here and have some nice looking wood. build it here. Here's that rose I was telling you about right in the middle right there. And you can see, if I can get in it just right, you can see the curl of the maple. There is, notice that each one, these little bug holes here, these are ambrosia beetle holes. You'll see how you get a bright red distress mark where the tree is reacting. Like I say, in ambrosia maple, which is a red maple, which is counterintuitive because this is a maple, but it turns red, where red maple, the colors turn brown and gray. You can see, zoom way on in, right here, right there, you can see two little bug holes, and that's caused by the ambrosia beetle. Well, we got it done. Had no problem sawing this up. It went real fast. We ended up some real nice curly flame box elder. Live edge slabs. We only had one or two dud boards, duds being ones that we didn't get as much color or as much figure as we wanted. Most of them turned out really well. Real pleased with this load. We're going to now sticker it. We're going to have to air dry. Typically stuff like this will air dry probably about a year or so. Our normal process for this thick stuff is air dry for a year, put it in the kilns, finish it in the kilns, sterilize it, and then sell it. The whole process may take 18 months. Sometimes it takes 2 years, but it's kind of one of those things. If you rush it, you're gonna mess it up. If you rush it, Mother Nature's gonna punish you for it. I always like to say that a year and a half to get a piece of wood like this out seems like a long time, but somewhere over there, because Jack Daniels isn't too far away from us, they're just up the road a little bit, Jack Daniels Distillery, and somewhere there's an accountant up at Jack Daniels going, hey, do we really have to age this stuff 7 years? Isn't 6 good enough? And somebody in Jack Daniels going, no, 7's what it's going to take, 7's what it's going to be, and that's what we have to do. So with us, it's pretty much the same thing. Yeah, we can try to speed dry this stuff. We can try to do other games with it. Certainly, some species we might, but real pretty wood like this, no, we're going to take our time. So it's off to be air dried, and 18 months from now, this stuff will be on the rack, and it'll be selling, and it'll be as pretty as it can be. Maybe these boards will end up in California, maybe somewhere down in Florida. Who knows? Maybe they'll end up just next door. So anyway, appreciate you tuning in. I'm Robert Milton, Hobby Hardwood. If you want, please go visit our website, hobbyhardwoodalabama.com. We always have some interesting stuff on there, maybe some facts and whatnot that you might not be aware of what we do here. We take this stuff real seriously. It's a passion, but we take it real seriously. We like to think we do the best job that we can. So anyway, have a good day.